Nice to meet you. My name is Gabriel and I come from South Africa. To my young students, I'm fondly known as Teacher Gab. But to those older, I'm just Gabriel. So thank you for stopping by and thanks for taking the time to look at my profile. I'm a TEFL-certified tutor with over 10 years of teaching experience and just over 2 years of online teaching. I've had the privilege of working with people from all over the world, and this has really sharpened my skills at teaching the language English. So if you're looking to improve your daily conversation, or you want to improve your vocabulary, or you're just a beginner who wants to get a head start in the language, I'm happy that you stop by because I will be happy to help you on this journey. I know how hard it can be to learn a language or to talk to strangers, but as you can see, I won't bite you. So come into my class, let's have a trial lesson, let's work together on a personalized approach on how to help you improve or to better your English. I've had the privilege of working in different departments, which has honed my skills in communication. I've worked in real estate, I've worked in construction, project management. Well, I don't build, but I've done a lot of admin related work. So I'll be happy to walk you through so that you can improve your English, whether for work or travel. Please do make sure you stop by to book a lesson or a trial lesson with me, and then we take it from there. Thank you.